My video stopped for some reason. Damn it. I accidentally hit the end button. Hi. Before I end this little bit of video, can you talk to me a little bit before I leave? Any spirits sitting out here with me? I didn't mean to hit the stop button. Continue to communicate with me for 5 minutes and I gotta go home. I swear to God, that was moving. Oh wow, these glow. That's cool. Alright, I'm gonna go around one more time. Then I'm gonna end my video. Any spirits right here? What was that? Alright, I'm gonna walk right down here. Then I'm gonna go home, okay? Tell me something before I leave. Can you tell me something before I leave? Alright, I'm gonna go. Thank you for communicating with me. And sorry that I accidentally stopped my button. Bye. Don't follow me home. Alright guys. I'm gonna head home. Trying to put my phone here in my pocket. Trying to. Alright. This is Spirit Paranormal. Remember, always keep fighting, never give up, and be a warrior. I really did accidentally hit the end button. It's because I'm not used to holding my phone sideways and my thumb is right next to the stop button. So anyways, let me know what you guys heard or saw. Timestamp it and be safe out in this weather. Don't speed in the snow. Be careful when you're out in this weather. Bye. And don't follow me home, spirits.